In a small town, there lived a man named Arvind. He had always been active and full of energy, participating in various sports during his childhood. His dream was to one day compete in the Olympics and bring home a medal for his country. However, fate had other plans of him. When Arvind was just 18, a tragic accident occurred. He was involved in a car crash that left him paralyzed from the waist down. His life, which had been full of promise, come to an abrupt halt. The doctor told him he might never walk again and that he would have to adjust to a life in a wheelchair. The news shattered him, and for a while he fell into a deep depression. His dream of competing in the Olympics seemed impossible. But one day, while sitting in his wheelchair, Arvind thought about his childhood dream. He realized that all thought his body had been broken. His spirit was still strong. If he could not run, he could still find a way to complete. If he could not stand, he could still push forward. Inspired by the strength of many athletes he had admired, Arvind decided to not only rebuild his life but also to chase his Olympic dream in a new way. Arvind began training in wheelchair racing. At first, it was extremely difficult. He struggled to control the wheelchair after falling off the truck, and many times his body ached from the exertion. But each time he failed, he would back up. He refused to give up on his dream, knowing that success was not about avoiding failure but about pushing through it. Over the next few years, Arvind worked harder than he ever had before. He woke up early every day, practicing his wheelchair racing techniques, building strength in his arms, and conditioning his mind for the mental and physical challenge that lay ahead. His determination was unwavering and his passion grew stronger with every race. Eventually, Arvind qualified for the national Paralympic team. He competed in various national and international competitions, earning several medals. His performance became an inspiration to others, not only in India but around the world. But Arvind's ultimate goal was clear: the Paralympic Games. In 2020, Arvind found himself in Tokyo, competing in the Paralympic Games. The moment he crossed the finish line in first place, he could not believe it. He had done it. He had achieved what once seemed impossible. Arvind had won the gold medal in wheelchair racing at the Paralympics. With tears in his eyes, he stood on the podium, the national anthem playing in the background. He thought of the struggle, the pain, and the many moments he wanted to quit. But he had never given up. His victory was not just a personal achievement, it was a triumph over adversity, a victory for everyone who had ever faced challenge and doubt their own strength. Arvind's story spread across the globe, and he became a symbol of perseverance, strength, and hope. His message to the world was simple: no matter the obstacle you face, never let them stop you from pursuing your dream. Moral: life may throw unexpected challenge our way, but it's not the obstacle that departs. It's how we rise above them with resilience, determination, and an unshakable belief in ourselves. We can turn even the most difficult circumstance into a stepping stone toward achieving our dreams.